Well, if you struggle with two-way switching, I'm going to go through it in the most simplest way I can. The two ways that two-way switching is commonly done in the electrical industry. And I'm going to draw it out as a wiring diagram and then actually physically do it and show you a couple of faults that you might come across as well. Right, so what we're going to have is a live neutral and earth coming in there. That'll be your fuse board in effect. And then we'll have our light here. So the light will be up here, and it's a ceiling rose, which you commonly see everywhere, with the 3 there for the neutral, the 3 there for your lives, and then the switch live in the end. And then down here we're going to have the switch, and this will be the common L1 and L2, and then again your common L1 and L2. So then the neutral for this will come out the board and go straight into the ceiling rose. So that'll go straight into there. So that's all we need for the neutral. The neutral to go straight into the ceiling rose. And then obviously be one on earth as well. And then out the fuse board as well, we'll go straight to the earth. So that'll be that little terminal there. And then with the cable, we will need, because inside there as well, we'll need an earth to the boxes. So we'll also need an earth to there. So that'll be for that. And we're doing this in the colours that we use today, basically, because the brown will be red back in the day, and then the blue will be black back in the day. So if you can keep that consideration, so we'll have brown up there, which will be the live, and that'll be the blue. So then what if we just remember that? So the brown is the red, and the blue will be the black. There we go. So the brown will come out the board, again the fuse board, and go straight into the ceiling rose, which is into the 3 in the middle, which is basically a joint box in effect. And then we want a switch wire down to the switch, obviously to operate the switch for this. So there'll be 2 lives. There'll be one live that comes down and goes straight into L1, into there. Let's put that in L1. And it doesn't matter if it goes into L1 or L2, to be honest. L1, L2. What it does matter is for the strappers. So then we'll also have the switch wire coming out of the ceiling rose and go down to L2. So that one will be your switch wire. So that's the one that switches it on. So in effect, for the two-way switching, what we need again is a live to go common across. So that will just be the common of the 2 switches. And then L1 to go over to L1, and then L2 to go over to L2. And that's all you need. So that's basically a 3-core. And the cable, which is commonly used as well, you can get these in 2 browns for the switch wire, but normally it's a switch wire will go down with the earth, so you can earth that box as well, to the switch, and then it'll have a bit of earth sleeving on to show that it's live. So these are the permanent live and the switch live. And then this one, which you normally get from one switch to the other switch, which is a 3-core, the earth again will carry on the earth to the switch, but then we'll have a common L1 and L2, and these will also have a bit of earth sleeving on, which is normally brown and grey. So let's wire it and see what it looks like. And all I'm going to use here is this is going to be my power into the fuse board. Basically that'll be the fuse board in there. This will be the ceiling rose, what I was talking about, with the neutrals, the little lives that go in the middle, and then the switch wire goes at the end. And then we've got our 2-way switches. These are both the same. They've got a common L1 and L2, a common and L1 and L2. So we're going to wire it and see how it works. Right, so to start with, we're going to take a live out of the so-called fuse board and then straight into the ceiling rose. So let's get a live into there. That. So this is out the fuse. 6 amp MCB normally for lighting. And then what we will do is go straight into the live of the ceiling rose. These are not joined at all. So that'll be the neutral, that is your permanent live, and that is your switch live. And then what we also want is a permanent live out of there to go down to the switch in L1. So then we'll get this out of the permanent live and then go into L1 of the first switch. Great, it's a bit short, but that should be fine. We're not going to put that in yet because we need 2 cables in there. So what we also want is a cable to go from L1 all the way to the second switch, which is also in L1. So let's get this. And this one in L1, in here. The second switch will only have 1 cable going into it. So we'll go into L1, and then this one, L1, has the permanent live from the ceiling rose, and then the strappers. This is what you call a strapper. These two that go across to this into L1. And then what we also want is a switch live from the light switch to come down and straight into L2. This one. So then out of the switch. So that'll be your switch live. So that's connected up to the actual live, see? So that'll be your switch live, and we'll go into L2. What we also want in L2 is another strapper from L2 to L2. So then we want this. So they're basically in that first switch, we'll have 2 cables, but in the second switch, it'll only have 1. So this one goes into L2, into there. This one will go into L2 of the first switch, but also with the switch live that goes up to the light. So these 2 will go into there. Like so. That ain't gone in there properly. We could have showed a fault with that one. So that can go in there like that. And then the last cable we need is a commons. So this is how the switch wire works. So we want to get from the common to the common. That's all it needs to do. That one. So then out of here. The common to the common. So this what commons it up for the switch. So that is your common, and that is a 2-way switch wired. And the last one, to actually make it work, we want to get a neutral from there to the ceiling rose. So let's get this in here. Basically want to connect the neutral, obviously the return to it, and all we need to this is to go into the ceiling rose. So that will give the neutral to to the actual light. So we've got the live where it goes out, and the live is always switched, and the neutral is the ceiling rose. So now it should work. Let's plug it in. So then now this is how it works. So we've got the live coming down into this switch, which is also live over here. So if we switch this one, the light comes on, and then we switch this one, the light goes off. So basically it's switching the live that actually goes to that terminal. So this is switching the live which goes out on L2. Switch that way, that way, that way, that way. Now let me just show you. If you switch over L1 and L2 on this switch, or you get L1 and L2 mixed over. So L1 say goes into L2 in there, and then by mistake you've got L2 in L1, and then see if this works. So if these two, the strappers, are switched over, it'll work exactly the same. It doesn't matter which way the strappers are. What does matter is that common. Let me show you. So let's say you get L2 or L1, one of them mixed up. So you get the wrong one in the wrong terminal. It won't cause a fault, it just won't work properly because they're all lives. It just won't switch properly. But I'll show you exactly what fault you'll have. This is why sometimes when you go to a property, you know exactly what's happened. Someone's changed the switch. You know exactly what's happened. Someone's changed the switch and done it wrong. So we've got this, it'll turn it on and off, fantastic. And then this doesn't turn it off. But if you turn it off, that will turn it on and off, but it doesn't two-way. It doesn't do it properly. So this, it doesn't work properly. It's intermittent. Like basically the strappers are wrong and it's labelled in wrong. So that's what normally happens. If you go into someone's property and that's what's happened, they basically got their switch wires mixed up in their two-way switching. Now, to add a little bit more, we're going to add an intermediate switch in with this two-way switching. So that'll be 3 switches.